In this video, I show you how to fix Messenger keep stopping problem. For fixing Messenger keep stopping problem, first of all go to Play Store, check Messenger is up to date or not. Search Messenger, click on Messenger, up to date your Messenger app. Now go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Now search Messenger, click on Messenger, click on Force Stop, click on OK. Now click on Storage and Cache, clear storage, then delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Messenger app. Now log into your account. Now I hope that this method fix Messenger keep stopping problem.